Hi there. In this video, we'll cover how to use the Kickbox API in Sandbox mode for testing. Kickbox's API is a very powerful way to verify email addresses in real time or without having to log into our platform. To implement the API, you can reference our API documentation or work with a developer to create the necessary code for your website or for any way that you want to validate emails. We provide a sandbox mode for you to test your code without using any of your validation credits. In other words, it's free to use. You'll get back a response which will help you configure what and how you want to handle the verification response. To get started, log into your Kickbox account and click on API on the side menu. Next, click on Manage Keys, then the plus icon to create a new key. Give your API key a name, make sure to choose the sandbox option, as well as any authorized IP addresses if you need to add them. Now you're all set. Simply head over and grab the API key to use for testing, and then make sure to use the Sandbox API key for testing, but then replace it with the production key when you're ready for prime time verification. The Sandbox API only provides sample data and results and will not actually provide real responses. You can use our help article on the Sandbox API to learn how to obtain certain results to help you test. If you need information about using the Kickbox API in Sandbox mode, make sure to check out our API help documents. Happy verifying!